up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. So today, oh, by the way, I'm Jamie, and today what I have is Makeup Mafia collab. We do a collab every month on the 15th. So today's actually the 14th, and I'm shooting a day early. So y'all should be proud of me, because normally I do it the day of. But we're doing flowers, May flowers, as you can see from the title. Let me turn my lights down. And everybody's doing their own different flower. I'm not exactly sure what everybody's doing. I know there's a cherry blossom. I'm not sure, but it's gonna be cute. So make sure you go down, follow all the Makeup Mafia ladies. I will have them down in the description. And let's go ahead and just get started on my look. I already have the Silk Canvas primer on. Not sure that I like it. It's the liquid one. Urban Decay Shadow Primer Potion. Wet n Wild Dewy Luminux. And the Fit Me powder. That's all I have on, I believe, just for the base. I'm gonna do my eyebrows and stuff on camera. So for this look, I'm gonna start off with the Vivid Brights by NYX, the yellow. I'm gonna stack some things up and put my mirror on it, so I'm gonna kind of bring in to my face. I'm gonna start on this eye, and this eye are gonna be different, so I'm starting on this eye. This one's more intricate type of eye. And I'm just gonna start right here making a sunflower. And it doesn't have to be perfect. Just do your own thing. Make it look cute. I'm slightly an artist, but not like the best artist on the planet. See, I kind of messed it up right there, because I blinked. But we can fix it. So yeah, everybody's doing their own little flowers for spring. It's finally here. It's been pretty nice here where I live. It's been raining today, so, but I like rain. I don't, as long as it's not like raining like so many days in a row, you know what I'm saying? If it's raining like a whole week in a row, I can't take that. But it's only been like 2 days where it's been raining, and I think today's supposed to be a really nice day, so. And I kind of did a test run of this last night, so I kind of know what I'm doing and what I like here. But I'm gonna do like an avant-garde type thing where they're both different. I did it in the beginning to see what I kind of want to do, and then I was like, okay, I like both of these. I did it again where I blinked. We'll just fix it. I'll just do both of them, see how it turns out, which I did both of them yesterday, so it should turn out pretty cute. And just make sure you get down there. I'm gonna get out my fan. I'm not gonna look up at you because I'm not gonna mess it up again. Let me get my fan. Kind of get that dried out a little, where I can actually open up my eye. And then I'm gonna add some shadows to it. I might put some more over here real quick. Let's do that. Where did I put my shadow or my liner? There it is. Yeah, I'm liking these Vivid Brights a lot. I feel like I'm gonna go get more of them. I have the Epic liner in white, which I'm gonna use too. And I think that's all I have. At the ends, I'm gonna make sure I get it. I'm not sure what all colors they have, but I know that I seen the yellow and I needed to do a sunflower look. And one of my favorite artists, Post Malone, has a song called Sunflower, so it's cute. I always hear that song in my head. So let's get this dried up. And I'm going to get down here for a second. And probably not to anyone's surprise, I'm going to use the Mitchell palette. Because it's got a very vibrant and pretty yellow in it. And I found with this liner, it doesn't really take a lot of shadow over it, but at least I can kind of set it with this. And I'll go over and define those lines again here, but it does help a little bit. Yeah, I'll go back and define the lines a little bit more here in a minute. And I'm gonna take my Milani Stay Put eyeliner in Semi Sweet. It's almost gone, so it's on its last leg. And I'm gonna put some brown here on the inner corner to make the sunflower's little middle part. And you don't have to be like really meticulous and perfect with this. See, that's good enough for me. Where did I put my white eyeliner? I'm gonna use the NYX Epic Wear in white. I think it's white. Well, it's white, but I don't know if it's called white. You know what I'm saying? And just put the little dots for the sunflower. The worst part about this, it's called white, is you got to keep looking down. And it's not a big deal unless you're shooting a video. So sorry, I'm not looking at you. I'm not trying to not mess it up. Okay, I'm gonna go back in with my yellow Vivid Brights and just make the petals longer. And that bottom one is kind of act like a wing a little bit. I think we need more definition right here. And like I said, these are both going to be different. So it's going to be like, is the word avant-garde? I think so. Get this dried up, and then we'll go to the next eye. It's going to be more simple. So, looks good on camera, looks good in real life. Okay, let's go to the next eye. So the next eye is going to be just a simple eye, but it's going to have a little twist to it. I'm just going to do a simple liner, just a cat eyeliner. Like so. I think brush tips like these are so much easier to work with, especially when you're doing artsy things. I totally love them. So, and then I'm gonna take up here, and you gotta be careful with this to not blink, not move, not breathe. And I'm just gonna make the double line. I showed the girls this last night. I think they said they like this eye better. They like both of them, but I think they like this eye better. I like both of them. I just think they're cute together. So let's make that double line. And we'll just wing it out like so. And then I'm gonna go back into my Mitchell palette in that yellow color. I'm gonna take a pencil brush, color switch it, and then I'm gonna kind of go in and set it and forget it. So and just kind of follow along your lines you already have. Like I said and before, I'm not perfect. I don't claim to be, and I know none of my looks are perfect, but Let me wipe a little bit of that off, and then I'll go back over it again. This is gonna not last very long because I've used so much of it, but I don't care. This was, oh, these were $7 at Walgreens, so not a bad price, you know. I think I messed up just a teeny bit, but I'll just kind of smooth that with my hand, maybe. And what else am I gonna do is go in with some concealer and just kind of conceal. Make the definition in the middle a little crisper. And I'm gonna go in with a brush. If I can find my concealer brush, I'm gonna take this flat brush and kind of just go along the lines here. And if you cover up some of that, it's okay, because you can just go right back in with more. Hopefully you can see. I did turn down my lights, but. And so I'm gonna kind of clean it up with my fingers. And it looks kind of good. And then I'm gonna go back in with the yellow once again. And oops, hopefully you're seeing. Wing it out. So, and then on the bottom, let me wing that out a little bit more. And then right here, I'm gonna make a little sunflower. The way I like to make flowers is just kind of make some X's. And I'll just fill it in. Kind of like just go around filling in some little petals. And I'm gonna once again dry. And this doesn't take that long to dry, but sort of, kind of, you know. Take that yellow again, just on my finger, and kind of set it. Makes it a little bit more vibrant. And then I'm gonna go back over it again with this. And kind of just make that little sunflower. It's kind of getting bigger, but it's cute. So let it dry a little bit more. And I think I'm gonna go in with some other colors. Maybe a little bit of this mixer right here. It's a little darker yellow, but where'd my pencil brush go? I love pencil brushes, dude. So I think this is dry up here. So I'm gonna go in with that mixer and kind of put some on the bottom to give it a little definition, because it's all, you know, it's all one color. It's all like a vibrant, and then I'm just going with a darker right there. That looks cute. And then I'm probably gonna go in with a little bit over here. Like I said, shadow does not stick to these that well, so you're not gonna be getting a lot of shadow. The shadow is gonna be falling off, but okay. Now for this, I think it's dry. Let me dry it a little bit, and then I'm gonna go in with that Milani and make the little brown part of the flower. This again, and I need to get another one because this one is about dead. And just dot it around like so, and then go back in with my white and make some little white dots. And also I'm gonna go in with the Milani. It's little, so it's gonna probably scratch my eye. But just go in the water lines of my eyes on top and bottom. And let's go in with, let me go back. See, that looks pretty cute. I'm gonna go back and put on some Milk Makeup Mascara. And because I like the look so much, I'm not gonna put on fake lashes to cover it all up. We're just gonna use my little baby lashes that I already have. Ooh. And I'm gonna go off the camera and put on the rest of my face, and I'll be right back with the final look. So this is the final look. Hopefully you like it. I'm really digging it a lot. It's really cute. What I did is just put some bronzer on, some lipstick, and I put on very little brow. And I made this last night out of Dollar Tree stuff. I got a headband, and then I got some a bunch of flowers, ripped them off, and just I put this on with nail glue. So alright, so this is my Mayflowers look. Make sure you go down in the description box, follow Nona, Kimberly, Chip, Sherry, and Courtney, and don't forget to follow me. Make sure you follow all my social medias. Thanks for watching. Bye.